Hello, and welcome to another update on VeChain. The market is quiet today, but we may see some volatility soon, especially with the upcoming Fed interest rate decision. Expectations are for the rate to remain unchanged, but any surprises could impact price action. Right now, VeChain is at a critical support level. The price is hovering around the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement, near $0.0199. It hasn't confirmed a low yet, but it is in a key support zone where a reversal could happen. There are two possible scenarios. The first is the bullish scenario. If this is a corrective ABC structure, then a wave C rally could still be ahead. That would mean a potential 5-wave move to the upside. But for this to play out, VeChain must hold above the 78.6% retracement level. The second is the bearish scenario. If the bullish case fails, VeChain could already have topped out in this cycle, and we might be entering a longer bearish phase. The short-term structure is unclear, but resistance is currently around $0.026. A decisive break above this level would increase the probability that a low has already formed. For stronger confirmation, VeChain would need to break above $0.03. Right now, it's a waiting game. The bulls need to step in soon to prevent further downside. If VeChain holds this level and bounces, we could see another rally. Otherwise, the bearish scenario could take over. I'll keep you updated as the price action develops. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.